Hi all, this is brand new Sony. It's called the radio tape from the 90. I'm sure many of the audience familiar with those things, and someone gave me, said that it is stopped working. Do you believe that these things can stop working? I doubt, but never mind. Let's see what we have. So first thing what we can do is of course open the battery compartment and then see how it is connected. We can see here that we have 9 batteries of 1.5 volts, so we have 9 volts. So now I will be able to check it with 9 volts power supply. We can see here that we have bridge, so this is, just the connection in serial of the batteries. So bottom line, you need to connect 9 volt here. Of course, this is the minus and this is the positive. And now we will turn on the power supply and check if this is working or not. I've never seen in my life such an instrument that will not work from the batteries. Maybe from the AC adapter if something happened, but from the batteries, never ever seen in my life and working. Let's see, maybe this is the first. So let's try to connect the negative and the positive. I have to catch it because, okay, I already hear. Yeah, as I said, these things never ever die, never ever, from the batteries. From the outlet it can be, but okay, I will catch it. You can see that it is working. You hear this noise? I called it the WD-40 problem. The potentiometer inside need to be cleaned with some oil or something. All the noise is a dust on the connection of the potentiometer, so it can be fixed. Let's see the tape. A lot of noise. 100% that the rubber inside is totally dead. After all the years, the rubber became oil. It is back to the oil position, and this is why we have the noise. So now I'm curious about connecting directly to AC outlet, and let's see if it is not working like it was mentioned. Searching for a cable. I have maybe 1000 cables, but you never find them when you need them. When you don't need them, you will see all the cable one by one. Okay, I found one of the 1000 cable I have. If someone needs a cable, can come to me. Almost 100% that I will have its cable. Let's connect and see what happens. Aha. Okay, on AC this is actually not working, so something happened. Maybe let's try to disassemble this very antique radio tape and see what is inside. So I will take all the screws one by one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one of them is the antenna. No need the antenna, so 7. I will disassemble and let's see. Okay, so I disassemble everything. It was nice to see that here we have speaker cable, so it was quite easy to take it out. And then I don't care about the speakers anymore. Also here we can see on the power supply side there is a connector that is connect here. I like Sony design because it looks nice. Now what we want to check is the magic fuse. We have here a magic fuse. Usually the fuse is the last thing that is going off, but sometimes it can be that the fuse is the problem. So let's try to figure it out now. Not complicated. Use a DVM, put it on a ring and just check the fuse. If you have a short on the fuse, so the fuse is shorted. Aha! So the fuse is rest in peace. Before taking out the fuse, I want to check that I don't have a real, a real short here. So I will have to replace the fuse, and then we will check to find out if we have a real short or not on the outlet or on the bridge. There are 4 rectifier bridge, in order to convert the AC to DC. So let's check it. So amazingly, I found fuses about the age of this instrument. Of course, not the correct one. You never find the correct one. The correct one, I think, was written 1 amp. Let's see. I don't know. It's written on the PCB 1.25. I don't have, but I have 2 amp. So it will be stronger. I will put a stronger fuse. I'm kidding, if you have a short, so you have a short. It's a dead end. It will be okay. It will protect nicely. I don't think I have a short here. Let's see the output. No short. I think no short. I think so. But you need to make sure. It's go like this. So what I'm going to do is put it back, but not yet connect it. Need to find all the screws that are catching it nice in its place. So one here and one here. And now what I'm going to do is to connect again the outlet and check if we have DC out. DC out probably about 12-16 volt, I don't know. I have no clue what do I need to see, but I need to see something. So we put our DVM something like this. We know it is DC because we saw the bridge, the rectifier. Now I need the cable that was connected about few minutes ago. I have it. So now 2 things can happen. Or it will blow up immediately when I connect it, or we will have a DC. So let's see what happens. Aha! We have almost 12 volt. So probably problem is solved. So I now disconnected it from the 220 volts. Now we'll connect this tiny guy back in its place. Connected, and see if it is working. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, I disconnected this potentiometer. Yeah, just a second. We don't have speakers. We have a LED, of course, everything is okay. If no speakers, so no sound. So now we'll connect the speaker while we are doing the test. Whoa. So working as a brand new device. So we had a fuse problem. This is all the issue. This radius can work